everybody, it's the Blackstone Griddle tour behind the scenes. We're here in Statesville, North Carolina. We have two stops this weekend. We're at the Statesville Walmart and the Statesville Lowe's.
Got the Blackstone Griddle right here, baby.
Hello. And with behind the scenes, we have new toys on tour this week, including the cowbell, the agogo bells, and the maracas. I have this set up behind the griddle. In another lifetime, I was a percussionist. Have to organize through boxes because it's been a few weeks and the trailer and the truck have been across the country, so we have to separate things like sunscreen and seasonings. I use lots of the Blackstone tequila lime on the tour. That's bad.
Oh wow, yes.
Probably bigger, maybe a little bit bigger.
Maybe I want to hold for a while.
Done at the trailer for now. Now we're heading off to lunch, and then we start shopping. We have to hit Sam's Club. All done at Sam's Club, so a pro tip for you if you want to buy these giant tins that we use. So if you're buying in bulk like this, cooking for a crowd, always go to Sam's Club if you need to get a lot of it. These cost $3.50 a piece at Walmart. You can get a pack of these, 18 of these for only $15 at Sam's. Now we're getting all stocked up and we'll be ready for tomorrow. Absolutely insane day buying supplies for the trailer. 7 hours straight of shopping and unloading things in the trailer, and these should be the last couple of things. Sun's going down and I have coolers filled with ice cold food and a ton of work to do tomorrow morning. This trailer was completely empty this morning. Now it's jam-packed with supplies for this weekend, as well as for the rest of the Griddlemore tour. Pumped up? Taco time? Good sound. You want it, don't you?
Yes.